This is Caesar with Small Engine Ross. I don't know why I did the Hulk thing, but I think it's because this car in front of me is green. And I don't care what anyone else thinks, but wide body with a giant spoiler looks awesome to me. And he's a disabled vet, so thank you for your service if the person, whoever watches this video, is in that car. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying your day. This is a 69-degree Fahrenheit day, and it is nice and cool. I am super enjoying this weather. Thank you, Canada, for the cold front that's blowing over Texas right now, because it's nice and cool. No rain, although it might rain on Friday or something like that. But normally if it rains, then it becomes hot again. Whoa! That just took off. He was like, "I'm gonna fly away!" Why not? He's got a wing in the back. Anything with a wing is an airplane, right? 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 Anyways, I'm gonna start considering bringing my long jacket, my long light sleeved jacket with me to work, because it is chilly. I don't know if any one of you, actually everybody has probably ran into this at one point, but it feels good sitting outside, but when you're riding forward, it's like really cold. Because right now, it's pretty cold. Going 78 miles per hour, it's pretty cool. 78 and climbing. Oh no. I can let off the throttle and lose 5 miles per hour instantly. Anyways, I'm enjoying this tune. I don't know if you guys have, if you're new here, recently I've been having issues with my tune, and I was like barely grabbing 43, 44, 45. On a really long stretch of road, I'd get like 47, barely hold on to it and drop it. I'm at 4-gram weights and a 78 jet. When I was having issues, I was at an 80 jet and 4s and 5s, and then I switched to 4s and, well, 4s, and changed my jet, and everything's great again. Which made me start thinking about tunes. And I was thinking about people that I help whenever they message me on Instagram, Facebook, even Twitter. And they ask me how to help them tune. One of the first things I ask is, like, what is your driving conditions? Because Christopher H, I think he drives in a hilly area, right? I'm not 100% sure. But then you'll need to tune lighter weights to climb hills, so you're not going like, you know, 20 miles per hour over a hill. And then there's flatlands like me. Like, everything is flat here. Like, there's barely any hills. The only hills are man-made ones that are overpasses that go over like freeways and stuff. So you can tune with heavier weights if you wanted to grab that top speed. It just, you got the runway to get that top speed going, right? I like to call my tune the drafting tune. I like it where I'm fast enough to accelerate behind a car and keep as much of that drafting going as possible. Okay, let's see how fast I can get. It's a turn. Okay, I'm tucking in fully. 50 miles per hour. Still holding 47. Anyways, yeah, drafting tune. I think that's what I do, because I'm always in this kind of mix-ish traffic. So there's the climbing tune, a place that has hills, and then there's the flat tune, and then there's the I don't know, I call it the drafting tune, where I'm always drafting somebody. And do you think I can squeeze through all of this? Yeah, I think I can. Yep, I did it. That's not illegal, is it? Because I always tell everyone to obey the law, and I want to make sure that that's not an illegal move. What other kind of tunes are there out there, guys? And I'm talking get tunes, not GY6 tunes, because GY6 has... a lot of the people I know that have GY6s, they don't tune to the degree of a get tuner. You know? Like, we're throwing in weights, and we're trying to squeeze every little bit of power, and... I personally plan to apply those techniques on a GY6, because if I can get a 150 to do 65, you know, well then I'm good. I'm not talking watt either. Well, I guess I am, but I don't, you know, you're not supposed to run watt on a GY6, or at least everyone I talk to, no one ever rides wide open throttle on a GY6. And then the one person I talked to that, the one person I saw on the neither one of you saw each other. Look, both of you. Jeez. Anyways, I felt like I had to be a teacher today, so yeah, there's those kinds of tunes. So you'll have the draft. Okay, I already said all that stuff. Now, maybe there's a sprinter tune, so someone who is like drag racing, perhaps a Ruckus, I guess. And then there's max speed tunes, so like kind of what I did when I did my 57.1 miles per hour on here. I had a 7 gram and a 5 gram weight in here, so that was a heavy top speed run tune. And then oh my gosh, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, and then I had a bike in front of me drafting, going. I had Puck in front of me. So, honestly, there's a zillion different kinds of tunes you can put on a kit. So, keep in mind, if you ever message me on Facebook or Instagram for assistance, that's one of the first things I'm going to ask. Like, I'm not going to recommend Met Gears if you live in a place that's hilly. Because it's pointless. Because you're never going to get a road flat long enough to get the speed unless you're going downhill. And then maybe you would get a benefit, but you know, that's downhill, you know? Anyways, I am getting close to the office. I hope you guys are not too bored, and the 4 of you that are still here at the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. This weekend is going to be an exciting weekend. I apologize if there's not a Saturday and Sunday video, although Sunday I'm hoping to do a live. So if I do, I will plan it, and I will put a I'll put a post out for it, and you'll see it. You should get an alert. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Dun dun dun. I always do that. That's my signature move.